Hello mga ka-diaries! Welcome sa ating second lesson. Our second lesson is about Venn diagram. At the end of this lesson, the learners must be able to use Venn diagrams to represent sets, subsets, and the set of operations. So before we start, let's have an activity. For our activity, look at the following figure. Each of the circles represents a group denoted by the letter. Take note of the colored dots. Identify the following. Number 1. Colors that belongs to A. Number 2. Colors that belong to A or B. Number 3. Colors that does not belong to D. Number 4. Colors that belong to A but not in C. Number 5. Colors that both belong to A and B. Pause this video to have more time to answer. Were you able to get the answers? Here are the correct answer for each question. Our activity resembles the Venn diagram and how it shows the relationship of elements in a set. Let's look how actual Venn diagram works. Venn diagram are diagrams that make use of geometric shapes to show relationship between sets. Note that although there may be no element shown inside each shape, we can surmise how the sets are related to each other based on the diagram. Let's look how different concepts of sets are illustrated through Venn diagram. The universal set is usually denoted by a rectangle. The sets are then represented by shapes inside. So usually, universal set is represented by a rectangle na kung saan lahat ng elements ay makikita sa loob nito. If you have a universal set with these elements, so lahat ng elements ay nandito sa loob. So, paano sa Venn diagram ang sets? Sets ay represented ng mga shapes sa loob ng universal set. If you have set A with elements 1, 2, 3 and set B with elements 4, 5, 6, gagawa tayo ng circle sa loob ng universal set. So, set A and set B. 1, 2, 3. And set B, 4, 5, 6. Saan naman natin makikita si 7, 8, 9, 10? Siyempre, dahil wala sila dun sa dalawang sets, sa labas natin siya isusulat. 7, 8, 9, 10. To further illustrate the Venn diagram, let's look at this figure. In this figure, makikita nyo na meron tayong isang shape na nasa loob. So, remember na ang mga shape ay nagre-represent ng sets. So, dito, meron kang set A with elements 2, 4, 7. At yung universal set mo naman ay lahat ng nasa loob ng rectangle, which is 5, 6, 3, 1, 8, 2, 4, 7. Subsets can be shown by using shapes inside another shape. How about subsets? Remember na ang lahat ng shapes sa loob ng isang malaking shapes ay subset. So, sa figure na to, since nasa loob si B ni A, B is a subset of A. So, dito, tingnan naman natin ang elements ni A and B. So, dito, the elements of B are 4 and 3. Yun. So, the elements of A is lahat ng nasa loob niya. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, mapapansin natin na ang elements ni B na 4 and 3 ay makikita natin kay A. So, ibig sabihin, tama nga yun na si B ay subset ni A. Let's look at another example. We have A with the elements 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. And B is equal to 6, 8, 10. Notice that all elements of B can be found to set A. So, meaning B is a subset of A. To illustrate in Venn diagram, U set A and set B. Pwede nyo ring isulat lahat ng elements na nakikita nyo. So, si B muna ang isasulat natin. 6, 8, 10. 6, 8, 10. And then si set A, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. The intersection of two sets is the region where the two shapes intersect or cross each other. To illustrate intersection, tingnan natin yung figure na to. So, si set A have the elements of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And si set B has elements 3, 4, 0, 7, and 8. So, ang common area nila, or kung saan sila nag-overlap, ay ang intersection. So, the intersection of A and B is equal to, kung saan sila nag-overlap, 3, 4. So, look at another example. We have set A with elements A, B, C, and D. And set B with elements B, C, E. Tignan natin kung anong elements ang common sa kanila. So, ang common o pareho sa kanila ay si B at saka si C. So, A intersection B is equal to B and C. In Venn diagram, A and B ay may intersection since may common element sila. Ang common elements nila ay si B at si C. This is A, this is B. So the elements of A are A, B, C, and D. And then si B, meron na siyang B, C, and then E. The union of sets is the region occupied by both sets combined. How about union? Let's look at this figure. If we are looking for the union, kukunin natin lahat ng elements ni A at ni B. So, ang union ni A and B ay lahat ng nasa loob ng A and B. So, A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since meron na tayong 3 and 4, then 6 and 7. The complement of set is the region outside the shape. So, paano naman ang complement? Ang complement ng isang set ay lahat ng elements ng nasa labas ng set. So, sa figure na to, si set A ay 1, 2, 3. Ang complement niya ay yung lahat ng nasa labas niya. So, A complement is equal to 8, 7, 6, 4, and 5. Let's have the universal set as U is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F. And set A as A, B, C. So, di ba, ang complement ay yung elements ng universal set na wala sa A. So, A complement is equal to yung wala sa A, so D, E, and F. In Venn diagram, this is the U, and this is the A. The elements of A are A, B, C. And the elements of U is A, B, C, D, E, F. So, lahat ng nasa labas niya, ayan yung complement niya. The difference of two sets is the region inside the first set and outside the second set. Finally, for the difference of set, ang difference of set A and B ay lahat ng elements sa loob ni A na nasa labas ni B. So, ito yon. Yung tatakpan lang po natin siya para makuha natin yung difference niya. So, A minus B is equal to 1, 2, 6, and 5. For another example, if we have set A with elements A, B, C, and set B with elements C and E, so ano ang difference ng A and B? So, yung elements ni A na wala si B. So, tingnan natin. Si A, okay, kasi wala siya sa B. Si B, okay din, kasi wala siya sa B. Si C, ang tatanggalin natin kasi meron siya sa B. So, A minus B is equal to A, B. So, in Venn diagram, ilalagay natin sa loob ng A, pero sa labas ng B. A, B. C, and E. Set A, set B. So, ano yung mga yun? Ito yun. So, ito din yung sagot. In conclusion, we were able to represent set, subsets, intersection, union, complement, and difference of sets using Venn diagram. Naintindihan niyo ba ang lesson natin? Sana naging malinaw sa inyo ang tungkol sa Venn diagram. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get more Chalkboard Diaries lessons. Paalam!